Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be discussing about futures trading on CoinDCX exchange. Guys, in India, there's multiple exchanges that you can use to carry out futures trading. There's international exchanges and there's Indian exchanges. Now, talking about Indian exchanges, everything is simple and easier when compared to international exchanges. Guys, even a basic thing like buying USDT on international exchange is a challenge for new people. But here on CoinDCX exchange, everything is simple and easy. You can directly deposit INR from your bank account onto your CoinDCX account and you can directly trade that on futures trading. It's that simple. Guys, now why this CoinDCX exchange? Why not other Indian crypto exchanges? CoinDCX is 100% legal and it's FIU registered and it's the number one cryptocurrency exchange in India when compared to other Indian exchanges. There's more than 300 plus coins available on the platform with users fund protection. You can directly deposit INR or withdraw using IMPS, UPI or NEFT. On CoinDCX, you'll get tax, TDS and profit and loss reports easily that you can use to file your ITR. Guys, as a beginner in futures trading, the best option you have here is CoinDCX exchange. Now, I'm going to detail explain how to carry out futures trading on CoinDCX exchange. Now, before we start, guys, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, I'll click on CoinDCX app right here. Guys, the interface which you're seeing here is so simplified and very easy to use and easy to understand. And yes, if you're new to this exchange, then guys, in the description of this video, you will find a CoinDCX exchange link. So click on that and register first by entering your email ID and password. And then go into the Play Store or App Store and download the CoinDCX application. And once you open the application, you'll get the same exact interface. And guys, the next step is you should complete your KYC. As soon as you create your account on CoinDCX, it will ask you to complete your verification. And here you have this option called funds. And it's showing that I have unused balance of 40 rupees in my wallet. Okay, so I'll click on this. Now down below you have two options, withdraw INR and deposit INR option. Now before you can deposit or withdraw money, you should first link your bank account to CoinDCX exchange. So to deposit, I'll click on this deposit INR option. Here I'll enter 1100 rupees and I'll click on select payment method. And guys, here I'll deposit using UPI, Google Pay. And guys, please make sure that you transfer money only from that bank account that you registered on CoinDCX. If you send from any other bank account, then it will be refunded back within 15 days. Now I'll click on continue. Here you can either select Google Pay or PhonePe. I'll go with Google Pay. Now click on pay via GPay. Click on proceed. Now it will take you to your Google Pay or PhonePe application depending upon which one you select. And once after you complete the transaction, just come back to CoinDCX and you'll get a payment verification interface just like this. Guys, usually it takes like 1 hour time duration for your deposit to get to show in your wallet. So my deposit is in progress still. And once the deposit becomes successful, it will be added here under this available balances. And guys, whatever money you deposit onto your CoinDCX exchange, it will all be shown here under this funds option, okay? And only if you buy crypto assets using that funds, then that funds will be displayed here under this portfolio section. And yes, this is my portfolio that I'm building on my CoinDCX account. And my plan is to take this portfolio to 1.5 crore rupees in this next 2025 bull cycle. And guys, instead of 1100 rupees, I've deposited more, okay? So I have 5000 rupees in my wallet right now. Now guys, come on to the market section and in the search box, enter USDT. Click on buy. Here there's a limit option and a market option. So I'll select the market option and I'll click on this 100%. So if I click on this 100%, then I'll be using all 100% of my funds to buy USDT. Now swipe this to buy USDT. So yes guys, I've purchased 54.2 USDT. Now I'll go back and under portfolio, here you can see that I have 54 USDT. Okay, now at the top you have three options, spot, futures and funds option. So under futures, you can see that I have 0 USDT. So if you want to trade on futures, then you should have USDT balance here under this futures section. Now to transfer USDT from spot wallet to futures section, click on this add option down below, and here under this asset, click here and select USDT. So I'm transferring USDT from spot wallet to futures wallet. Click on transfer to futures wallet. So done. On my futures wallet now I have 54.2 USDT. Alright guys, now I'll show you how to trade on futures. For that you should come on to the futures section. Guys, at the top you have two options, INR margin and USDT margin. So I'll come on to the USDT margin. It's because I'll be trading under USDT, right? So I'll select USDT margin. Now if you click here, you'll be given with the list of all the cryptocurrencies that are available on that exchange to trade on futures. Okay guys, now the thing is you created account on CoinDCX and you added funds successfully, right? But if you're a beginner, then where exactly, like at what price should you open the trade? Which coins should you select? You won't be knowing that, right? Guys, don't worry, okay? On my Telegram channel, I'll give you the best future trade signals that you can use to open trades. So here I gave Solana futures trade signal. And guys, not only future trade signals, I'll also be posting crypto educational and crypto related content. And in case if there's any emergency crypto news, then I'll first update there on my Telegram channel. So in case if you're not following me on my Telegram channel, then do that now. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. Okay guys, now I'll use this Solana trade signal. So I'll click on this BTC option and I'll click on Solana. Guys, here if you click on this extension option right here, it will display the Solana graph in full view, and you can use tools and you can carry out your all your technical analysis here. Now guys, here you have this option called isolated. So if you click on this isolated option, again you will get two more options called isolated and cross mode. So what are these? Guys, now assume that you have 100 USDT on your futures wallet and you used only 30 USDT to open trade on Solana under isolated. So in case if the market crashes and if your trade gets liquidated, then you lose only this 30 USDT, and the rest 70 USDT which you have on your futures wallet will be safe and secure. Now if you open trade under a cross margin and if you put 30 USDT on Solana trade, and in the market, in case if there's high volatility, if your trade gets liquidated, then you will not only lose this 30 USDT, along with this 30 USDT, you'll also lose that 70 USDT which you have on your futures wallet. So I think you understood this too. Okay, now I'll go with isolated mode. Now here there's something called 1x. Guys, this is nothing but leverage. Guys, the higher leverage you select, higher will be the risk, and lower the leverage you go with, lower will be the risk. And yes guys, higher leverage means high risk with high rewards. Guys, usually I mentioned that in my future trade signals that I give on my Telegram channel, like how much leverage you should select. So just go with that leverage. So here I'll go with 10x leverage. Click on confirm. Now down below you have two options, long and short. Guys, if you think that the market might pump, then go with long. And if you think the market might crash, then go with short. Now if you click on this market option, you'll get four other options. So if you select the limit option, then you can set at what price you wanna take entry. Right now Solana is trading at $210, right? So if you wanna like open trade at $200, then simply enter that here. Once Solana comes down to $200, then your trade will get executed. Now if you select the market option, then your trade will get executed at the current market price. Here swipe this or enter like how much USDT you wanna put on this Solana trade. And again down below you have this add TP bar SL option. This is nothing but take profits and stop loss. So enter your take profits here. In case if you don't know like what is this, guys, assume that you opened Solana trade at $200, and if you want to close the trade at $250, then simply enter that here. Once the Solana coin pumps to $250, automatically your trade will get closed, and a stop loss is nothing but closing the trade automatically to limit the losses. Guys, here I know that the market will pump, so I'll go with the long option. And here under position you can see that my trade has been executed successfully. Now here also you have this TP bar SL option. So if you want, you can also set that here. And yes guys, the most important thing I want to mention is how to push your liquidation far enough. Guys, here my entry is at $211, right? And my liquidation is at $191. So if the Solana price comes down to $191, then my trade will get liquidated. Now to push the liquidation, I'll click on this adjust option. Click on margin Here enter how much USDT you want to add. I have like about 33.1 USDT. So I'll enter 33.1. Click on add margin. Yes guys, here you can see that my liquidation is pushed from $191 to $157. So my Solana trade is much safer now. Guys, you can also add more margin to push liquidation even more further. Now in case if you want to add extra 150 USDT in margin, then my liquidation will get pushed to $7.9. So guys, do you think the Solana price will crash to $7.9? Never. So this is how you protect your trade, okay, from liquidation in case if you have more funds with you. And guys, if you want future trade signals, then do follow me on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. Now, if you don't have an account on CoinDCX, I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So click on that link and create an account on CoinDCX and complete your KYC. Guys, now what are you waiting for? Just click the link which is in the description of this video. Create your account on CoinDCX and start trading futures. Now guys, please keep this in mind. Crypto itself is a risky field, okay? And futures trading is highly risky. So before you proceed, please do your proper research. In this crypto industry, the market volatility will be very high. So before you take a trade, you should take you should manage all the risk. Okay, if you don't manage your risk, then you will get liquidated. Okay, guys. Now, if you have any doubts related to this topic, drop that in the comment section down below. And please do drop a like on this video. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now, if you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.